Crenshaw, Swage buttons, and hourglass sleeves. Our buttons and hourglass sleeves are made in the USA with strength and quality in mind. Swage sleeves and buttons, also known as ferrules, have a higher termination efficiency and less maintenance than wire rope clips, which make them perfect for permanently terminating cable and wire rope. Use an hourglass sleeve to fabricate a secure I-splice or lap splice. Use a button to safely terminate a single strand of wire rope. Use aluminum varieties for galvanized wire rope and zinc copper or copper for stainless steel wire rope. Our Crenshaw Swage sleeves and buttons are known for their reliability by our customers in stage rigging, agriculture, marine, and construction industries. Choose from aluminum and copper and zinc-plated copper, and in hourglass sleeve and button styles. They are available in a variety of sizes from 3/32 to 3/8 inch. For sleeve and button swaging instructions, termination efficiency ratings, and project examples, visit our website to help you choose the right product for your application. When it comes to ferrules, Crenshaw Swage sleeves and buttons are the reliable solution for your high durability and heavy-duty rigging needs.